wonderful book. It's called Rainbow Dots. It's by Monica Exley, and it teaches you how it's okay to be yourself because you are unique. And it's a fabulous book. It's going to tell you about how it's okay to be different and how you will still be accepted and how you'll still have lots of friends, and you have to just be yourself. So shall we open and shall we start? And this has been written for baby octopus. Sammy Octonite is a friendly 5-year-old purple octopus. He likes to socialise with every creature of the sea. He loves all things ocean life, especially water. His nickname is Water Dragon. Do you have a nickname too? And do you like water? Every day Sammy likes to sleep in. Can you see him sleeping? Sammy and his family moved to a new location of the ocean. Their new house looks like a castle. Moving day has everyone exhausted. It is very tiring moving house. Can you see all the things they're getting? Sammy has 3 brothers and 1 sister. They like to dance, sing, draw and play hide and seek together. However, Sammy's most favourite thing to do is to go treasure hunting with his family. They once found a treasure chest box full of sparkly jewels. They love to swim non-stop and splash in the water while sun tanning. Sammy loves playing soccer and with all his toys. He likes playing with cars and watches toy reviews on his iPad. What do you like playing with? Sammy goes to the store and shops for the ingredients to make a pizza. Yummy, delicious, homemade pizza. He likes to eat strawberries, watermelon, apples and orange chips. His favourite drink is chocolate milk. Do you have a favourite food? You see all the food that Sammy likes? Tomorrow is Sammy's first day of school. Sammy is a bit nervous. Sammy sets his alarm and falls asleep. He dreams about splashing in the water on a sunny beach day. There he is, dreaming. Sammy swims to Aquarium Academy. Miss Mary introduces Sammy to the class. That's his school. It's called Aqua Academy. Isn't that nice? Can you see? So there's Miss Mary, which is a mermaid, and she's saying, "Everyone, this is Sammy. Please say hello and make him feel welcome. Sammy, please take a seat by Sally Shark." It's nice to meet new people at school, isn't it? Hello, Sammy. Look, they're all saying hello to him. As Sammy starts to move, one of his socks falls off. Everyone gasps. Rainbow polka dots overload. Look, can you see the sock that's fallen off? Oh, and it's all glittery, and he's worried. Is he okay? He is so colourful, says a little red fish. Let's call him Rainbow Dots, says a bigger green fish. Miss Mary says, everyone calm down. Everyone is unique, and that's okay. It is not nice to name call. His name is Sammy. End of story. Now let's continue with our lesson. See? She's told them, just be nice. At recess, Sammy is playing by himself and he is feeling sad and alone. A group of friends decide to invite him to come and play with them. In the group is Sally Shark, Timmy Turtle and Victor Crab. Come play with us, says Sally Shark. Sue Whale comes along and shouts, oh, look at Rainbow Dots. He's trying to make friends. So the whale's not being very nice to him, but all the others are, aren't they? So he doesn't look very happy there. Looks like he's actually crying. Stop being mean to our new friend, said Sally Shark. Don't be a bully, says Timmy Turtle. Everyone is different, and that is what makes us all unique, says Victor Crab. See, they're sticking up for him. You know, I actually really like my colourful polka dots, said Sammy. Sue Whale swims away with a frown on her face because she hasn't managed to upset him, which is really rather lovely. Hey, do you want to come play at my house after school? Asked Sally Shark. Sure, says Sammy. And now he's happy. Later that day, everyone goes to Sally Shark's house to play. Her house looks like an enormous shoe with many windows. It starts to rain and everyone is having so much fun splashing and swimming that they lose track of time. A beautiful rainbow adorns the blue sky. Look at the shoe they're living in. They spend the rest of the day hunting for treasures, which was his favourite thing, wasn't it? They find an old shipwreck with old abandoned furniture, chairs, tables and sofas. They swim so far away that they get lost. It is getting dark outside. Oh no, it's too dark to swim back home now, says Timmy Turtle. I'm scared, says Victor Crab. Could they've stayed out too late? Don't worry, says Sammy Octopus. Just then everyone's mouths drop. Sammy's rainbow polka dots start to glow in the dark. Wow, says Sally Shark. So cool, says Timmy Turtle. Amazing, says Victor Crab. Sammy Octonite leads the crew back to their homes with his bright glowing lighting the night's darkness. Wow, look, he's taken all his socks off and they're all glowing. The next day, Sammy leaves all his socks at home because he's proud of all these polka dots now. So you know what you can learn from this book? Just be yourself. Be kind and gentle to all. Most importantly, don't forget that it's okay to just be yourself. It is okay to be different because that is what makes you unique. Class, please welcome Nathan Octopus, says Miss Mary. So now there's a new person coming into the class and they're going to welcome him. And the octopus has a lovely black waistcoat, so he's looking different. But you know what I think? I think they're all going to be really nice to him because they realise everybody is unique and everybody deserves to be happy. So just remember, you are loved, strong, brave, courageous, smart, sweet, amazing, a go-getter, adventurous. Follow your dreams. Isn't that a lovely, lovely book? And I'm going to leave details on where you'll be able to find it and where you'll be able to buy this lovely book. Enjoy it and see you again soon. Don't forget, like and subscribe on our YouTube account. Fun Story Factory will be back very, very soon. Bye-bye.